No way. Oh my god! No way! Oh my god! What the fuck?
2 hours later.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a rain turtle. And
what is a rain turtle, you may ask?
Well, it's an old infantry joke where I'll just show it to you. Hang in there. It's gonna make it rain. Okay, guys?
Are you sure about that? You idiot! You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Okay, guys. So here we go. I'm getting ready to draw this rain turtle here to show you. As you can see, my finger's sticking out. I don't know what the hell is sticking in the way, but it almost looks like I don't know what the hell it looks like, man. I'm trying to make a turtle. Okay, so cut me some slack, would you? All right, this is getting freaking boring. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the film. just less painful for you guys. Oh my god, I suck at drawing. This is so bad. This is probably the worst looking freaking turtle you've ever seen in your life.
This is so humiliating.
Okay, so now that we got our turtle,
are you sure about that?
Doesn't really look like much of a turtle. Now we
Now we have to pee on it.
Oh my god! No! Oh
Now the last thing you have to do is you have to look up at the sky and say, "The rain god is a pussy! The rain god is a pussy! The rain god is a pussy!" And you say it 3 times, and it rains.
Are you sure about that?
Let's see if it works.
This week, I am disgusted.
Holy crap, I think it worked. Alright guys, let's get out of this rainstorm before we catch our death of cold. See you next time. Take care and rock on. Okay guys, so if anybody was wondering, I didn't actually pee on any rain turtle, so don't get upset about it, okay? But I fooled you guys, didn't I? Alright guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy this Irish music to play me off. Have a good one.